Let's do a quick recap on EURCAD. This is the daily chart of EURCAD. And last time we did the analysis, it's where I did this Elliott wave. So let us update and see if we can get any trade for this week. Okay. So this chart has been in a channel for a long time and it's moving in three wave structures. Okay. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we have another 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our current interest is in this last ABC. So this entire combination is at WXY. So the leg that we are expecting now is leg Y. So you have this whole three wave move, 1, 2, 3. This flat as your W. You have this as your joint, which is X, and then we're expecting another three wave move like this, which is gonna look like this previous one, which will form our Y. So from this, we know that we are expecting a buy trade from somewhere in this area. Let's go to a lower time frame. Okay, on the lower time frame, we are only gonna focus on this last leg, the ABC. Okay, let me go to the 4 hour, or let me just zoom in on this one. Okay, what we have on this one is on the lower degree, we have a three wave move. Okay, we have this 1, 2, 3. I hope you can see it. Let me change the color. You have 1, 2, 3, followed by excuse me, followed by a corrective structure. Okay, this corrective structure, and then we have another 1, 2, 3, which we are looking at. Okay, let me clear that so I can formalize it. Okay, so we are currently interested on on this ABC, A, B, C. Okay, so we can see the second extension of the C leg is almost complete. Okay, so we just need to check the extension of this leg if it's complete. Okay, so we have a triangle correction. We have a triangle correction here, like this. Okay, we have this triangle correction and then we broke out. So our wave C should end somewhere in this blue zone. Okay, but this is just the extension of the bigger wave. Let's see this smaller wave. So we need to add another degree, which is A, B, C. Okay, so we need to change the degree of this one to minutes. Let me change color to pink. Okay, so we need to check this if it has expanded to its full form. Okay, so you see even this leg is also saying it should expand to this same area between 78.6 and 100%. Okay, so now we just need to introduce our trend lines. Okay, so according to our trend lines, we are in a channel. Let's check. We are in a channel. Okay, we are in a channel like this one. For now, we are still creating lower lows. So while this thing is in this channel, we will not look for any sales, for any buys, I mean. Okay, so we can just check if this still needs to retrace to around this this level. Okay, so this is still going down at the moment. Okay, let me go to the 1 hour. Okay. Even though it has touched our trend line, this yellow trend line, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it has to bounce all the way up, because this is coming from verified. It's a long-term trend line, so it has a very big area. Okay, we cannot judge our trade based on the touch of this trend line. So this is still going to where is this to? Okay, this can still come to this level and then come back down, so anywhere in this area. So our trade will be based on the break of this bigger trend line, this blue one. Okay, so for now we just have to be patient. But if you're looking to take day trades, you can have your trend line like this. So when it breaks this one, you can take your sell, but your take profit will have to be really tight. Okay, so I don't have to show this in the hours. Okay, also this one, because it's disrupting this short-term trade. Okay, so this is what you are looking at, but in the minute time frames, this buy is also allowed. It's just gonna depend on your holding appetite, on your patience. Okay, so for as long as it hasn't broken this trend line and it's still within this one, your trading limits are bounded to this space. Okay, but personally I'll wait for the long term swing, because we have been waiting for this trade for a long time. Okay, we just need to be patient. Okay, I think that's it on this. Our target is very far up there. Okay, so it's gonna create another ABC. Okay, A, B, and C. Let me label this 4° B, C.